fish in the water. Let's see if we can scoop him up. Get him out of there. Oh, he's a big one. Ow, he fell. He's strong. He's got less water than the other one. So I guess I'm gonna just cruise down my street and see if there's any more fish. Thought I would keep going and see if I found any more. I got a bottle of water right here. Let's put some water on him. He's gonna splash all over me, watch. So irritating. Let's see if there's any more fish. Too bad I don't got a necklace to hold my camera, huh? Let's see here. Any more fish? The kids are supposed to be out here doing this. Oh man, there's one right there, but he looks dead. See, I could technically throw him down here at the end of this road in the gutter, but I don't know how far the water is. Down in there, there's usually fish laying all right here, and they go in that hole down there. But I don't see any more other than the dead one up here. Let's see, and I'll turn off the camera. He's probably dead. Where did I see him? It smells like fish in my car. I think he's right up here somewhere. Or maybe up. There's one. I found one. Crap. Oh, yep. Here's that one that I saw, but he looks dead. Let's see. There's one dead one, but I think we can save another one. I think I'm crazy. I mean, they're just fish. Jeez. It's not like they're a cat or a dog. Yeah, he definitely is dead. He looks like he got smashed. But I saw one down here that's stuck. They're probably going to kill each other with their fins in this little bowl. There he is. He's just a chilling, guys. He's trying to breathe. I don't know what these are, like carp or something. I don't know. Oh, I got him. Ah, don't kill him. Alright, so I can hurry and take these to the water. I'm not going to record the rest of the video because I need to hurry and enjoy my lunch break. So, there's 3 fish I rescued. Bye-bye.